Or try to play a video day and your computer just goes, nope, wrong format, can't open file, upload failed. At this point, you're just sitting there thinking, it's a video. Why is this so complicated? Different devices want different formats. Your phone wants one thing, your editor wants another, and the platform you're uploading to wants something else entirely. So now you're looking for a converter. But here's the good news. With any video converter, it's actually ridiculously easy. Just drag your video in, choose the format you need, and hit convert. And if you've got a whole bunch of videos, no problem. Just drop them all in and convert multiple files at the same time, because converting videos one by one is nobody's idea of fun. MP4, MOV, MKV, AVI, over 10 formats supported. And yes, it's completely free. No weird limits, no complicated setup. Just convert your videos and get back to what you were doing.